In this video, I just want to explain about butternut squashes. Now, a lot of people attempt to prepare these by peeling them. Well, peeling them is a nightmare, and it's very dangerous and it's very difficult. So there is actually a better way to cook them, and that is to cook them whole. So first of all, as you can see there, we've pierced it a couple of times. So you have to be very careful when you do that because it moves as you try to pierce it with a very sharp knife. So you're going to have to hold it very firmly. And then you pop it in the oven, middle of your oven, for approximately an hour, and you keep an eye on it by turning it and testing it with a skewer to see if it's soft inside. And the temperature on our oven is
180.
about 180. We've got a fan assisted oven and we've kept it in there for about an hour. So anyway, here's one we prepared earlier, and that is what it kind of looks like. And Susie is now going to cut it for us, or will I cut it? I'll cut it. Is it straight enough like that?
No, just cut the end off.
Right, you just cut the end off. Just give me a second. So as you can see, I've just cut that end off there. Now Sue's going to cut through the whole length of it. As you can see, it's very soft, so you don't really have to apply much pressure to the butternut squash. And that's what it looks like inside. Now, if you do cut them on a mat like this, these do slip around, so be careful. Put them on a good solid wooden board. And then you just use a spoon to scoop out this part where the seeds are. And you can dry the seeds apparently. Well, I'm just going to bin them.
And then you just eat it.
Yeah, you eat it as it is then. That's what it looks like.
You can have butter on it. You can put some paprika, some cinnamon, and some maple syrup.
Why would you need butter on them if they're already called butternut squashes, love?
To give them a nice buttery flavour.
So there you go. They're before and after.
There you go.
Anyway, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you hate the video, thumbs down. Please subscribe. Look out for my next videos, hints and tips and various things. Bye bye.